So I think okay. And I said morning. I'm gonna go to VFS today to process my UK visa. So I'm finding some options to where to be at. Since my visa was gonna expire on May for the UK, I thought like I can renew it if just in case like things will not go back to normal. So at least like we have some place to go.
Nice.
And yeah, I have appointment at 2 o'clock. It's already 12, so I'm just gonna grab some coffee. And so I'm just gonna make some coffee. I'm not sure if I'm that hungry though, but I should eat because I'm just gonna go to the VFS today, and then back here because they said there's gonna be a tornado. But yeah, hopefully hindi naman siya ganun.
A few moments later.
Okay, let's just get ready for my visa appointment. I don't know how. Oh, so I'm using this concealer to hide all my flaws. I haven't had a good sleep last night.
I mean, I see this. It's so incredible. Ding, 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 ding. Boom. Okay. Shin, boom. Star Wars.
So I have to know all these blemishes with this concealer. Anyway, I'm using this Fenty Beauty to layer it first, I think. And then I'm gonna, yeah, this one with the shade of 260N. Oof. Okay, this one is Start. I got this like a few days ago, but I really love it. I used it yesterday. It's nice. Sits well with my skin tone. So it just looks natural. I'm gonna need to add like couple of foundation, but probably not too much.
Bruh.
Just because, girl, I haven't slept a bit last night.
Ding, 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 ding. Boom.
It's already 1:20 and I have appointment at 2:40. It's not that far. It's like in the Damakil. No, I think it's like Radisson in Damakil still. Yeah. When I'm thinking of Damak Hills, I always mix it up between Damak and the Dubai Hills.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
So I was like, okay, I'm not going to Dubai Hills now.
Okay.
Instead, I'm going to Damak Hill. So yeah, let's try. They think, oh, it hides the back. Wow. It hides the blemish. A little bit. I'm probably gonna use this Fenty Beauty foundation. So, let's see. This is shade of 5, I don't know if it's like 5G2. That's the foundation code. I don't know much about makeup really. But yeah. So, as long as it hides my blemish, so I'm good with it. So, I'm putting this much. Kita mo ba? Can you see it properly? I think I should zoom in a little bit, yeah. Mamaw si Akla, ayan. So, yeah, so my visa expires on May pa naman, but I really wanna leave Dubai na. Kasi, I don't know, like I'm stuck, I felt stuck. I don't have like business at the moment. So, I might go somewhere in Europe for a while. And stay there. And see how things go. Hopefully, like, things get better. Like, saan naman, diba? Hindi naman disconnect. Kasi, it's not just like us business owners or something, like, all over the world na. So, it's not just here in Dubai. And, yeah, it's a bit hard for everybody. So, ayun. I don't know kung ano, na-blend ba siya ng maayos? Mukha ba kang chinchang? So, yeah, a little bit there. Like, the chinchang. But, sa mirror ko, okay lang. Ewan ko sa inyo. But, anyway, i-blend ko pa yan. Makalala. And, I'm gonna add pa ng, from, like, powder. Also gonna add some powder. May So, napapanood nyo ba si ano bang pangalan yung Chikina ba yun? Chikina? Something like that. I love her funny. So, I learned some tricks from her. So, I'm gonna use pala... so, I'm not a good makeup artist. Okay, this is just like the things I normally do when I put my makeup. So, yeah, huwag nyo na lang follow kung hindi naman ano. Pero this works for me. And, yeah, mabilis lang din siya. Kasi hindi na ako magaling mag-makeup. So, this is my daily look. Daily look lang. Pero hindi naman ako lagi nag-makeup. Just like when I have some work or, yeah. So, ganito. Hindi pa nga ako marunong magkilay. So, this is how I do my kilay for very long time. Kasi ayoko matuto matuto, girl. I mean, sakit ayaw ko matuto. But, who cares? I don't, like, as long as it doesn't look like a caterpillar stuck on my, my brow. Gora na yan, be. Laitin mo na lang yung kilay ko. Anyway, I don't care. Teka, wala kasi akong kilay and it's not, pantay parati. Diba? Diba, munta nga. Look at the other side naman. They, sabi sa inyo, hindi ako ganun nakagaling. But I normally just put the, sinishade ko lang yung sa dulo. Because I don't have like hair doon. Sa side na yun. So I'll fix it with my concealer brush lang. Little bit lang ba. Gusto ko sana magpa-tattoo ng kilay. Then my friend told me, huwag na, kasi she did hers and she couldn't fix it na after like, after years. Sabi niya, she get tired of like having the same brow and then when there's like a new trend, she can't fix it anyway. Yeah, so I think that's good enough. Ayoko din kasi ng super fake. I think like tattoo, I have tattoo and then it fades, it doesn't look nice. So yeah, good thing I didn't do. So I'm gonna, I need should I use this bronzer and contour. Wait, I'm using, diba kalat si Bakla? Ang kalat ng ito. Dito lang naman kasi siya, hindi lang siya organized. Anyway, so I'm using Sunny's Face, ano ba ito? Yung nila, itong tuba. Bronzer, contour, etc. Sa ating wala na. Ating bumili ako nung nakaraan nung last na umuwi ako eh. I don't know where it is. Naiwanan ko ata sa old apartment. But anyway, I'll see kung ano. Although, maganda naman yung bronzer dito sa Dubai. So, I'm also using a Benefit one for a very long time. Okay naman. Pero mas comfortable kasi ako gamitin ko yung gantong type of contour. Madali lang kasi siya. So, i-blend lang natin yan very, very light. Agad, ayan sinasabi ko eh. Ayan, blend lang kasi siya na very, very light. Yan ko din. Ay, puta ka na. Wala na si Bakla. Like fix. Kasi meron akong parang square yung face ko. So, hindi siya perfect. But like, yeah. Should I do Botox? Si Bakla, ayun mo. Anyway, ayan. What do you think? Okay na ba to? Anyway, I'm gonna add. So after that, I'm just gonna add this. Yung, Fenty, naman siya. Setting powder. Ayan. Ooh. Hindi ko kasi siya ma-open ng tao. Anyway, let's do like this. Asan yung ito? Ito. Wait. Ito yung natutunan ko pala kay na ginagawa niya for her blush daw. Wait pala. So, ayan. Na yung ko, yung ko dito. What do you call this one? Like haluka. Look, like eyeshadow. So, I'm just gonna do like a very natural look. So, I'm gonna add like a brown eyeshadow here. Like, little bit lang naman. Very, very light ba? Very, very light lang. Sabi very light pero parang, Bakla, saan ka punta? So, anyway, try natin. Saan ka punta, girl? Kasi, I'm gonna try to blend it with something. Wait, come on. Ayusin natin ulit. So, I'll just blend it. Alam mo, saan ka pa pupunta? Party ka ba, babe? Anyway, so, yeah, ganun lang. I'm gonna fix it in a bit. Kalma kayo. Kumalma, kalma mo, babe. Ganito yung, wait. Oh my god, may siya dito. So, let's do this one. Ayusin natin siya gamit to. Ito naman yung ginagawa. Pagka like masumosobra, ginagamitan ko lang yan ng Kasi sabi ko sa inyo, hindi lang ako magaling mag-makeup. So, pag may sumusobrang, hindi ko take. Inaano ko lang yung brush na, anong tawag doon? Concealer brush. Ayan, okay na. Anyway, so I'm also gonna use this one. Saan ba kasi yung color brush ko? Sabi ko naman sa'yo, girl, ayun. Ayan. Mamaya, papakita ko sa inyo. Ito yung gift nila sa Hourglass. So, ito yung malit lang siya. Gusto ko pa kasi muna siyang i-try before like buying. So, thank God. Binigyan naman nila ako ng sample. So, I can try that first bago ko bumili, diba? Anyway, let's do like a little bit of wing dito. Tapos blend lang natin. Para lang ma-highlight yung eyes natin, diba? Para pag sa picture, ay, perfect, ganon. Very, very light. Mga Korean look ba yung kasi I'm very insecure sa eyes ko. Sulit kasi, tingnan mo naman. Ma-highlight ng very, very light yan. Kapag siguro sa Pilipinas, diba? They like it, like, chinita look. But like, here, the Arab eye. Girl, they're so good at putting makeup talaga dito. Like you see, Huda Beauty, she's an Arab. Oh my god, she's so good. I also love her sister's brand na yung Kayali. Have you had a Kayali perfume? Gumawa ko ng dupe nun kay pwede ko masabi niya. Kay ano ba yun? Si Yusef Bai. Kasi ang mahal niya. Ang mahal ng perfume na yun. It's around like 600 ata sa Sephora. Check na lang kung But you know what I'm talking about? The Kayali perfume. My God, I love the apple, Eden apple, and then the vanilla scent me. That's so good. Ayan, pwede na ba? O, diba? Medyo, ano siya, nag-open naman ng very, very late yung eyes natin. And then, what am I gonna do? Anyway, I think, kasi yung lashes ko are too small. So, hindi naman siya ganun kalaki. So, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna have to use, then, where is it? Okay. Wait, I have the Sephora, kasi ang kalat eh. Hindi alam kung saan nilalagay yung mga ano niya. Girl. Anyway, kung hindi ko siya maano siya. Maybe I'll just use ko. Pero, okay. So, ito yung sa benefit. It's not waterproof. Kumakalat siya. But I think like, I don't care. Ito na lang kasi wala akong makeup remover, be. This one is much easier to remove kaysa yung Sephora. I have the Sephora one na to make your lash longer. Pero, siya eh. Ano tawag dito? Ayan, pataka. Ayan, so siya. Oh, diba, tingnan mo yung eyes ko. Nag-open! Very, very light, be. Anyway, yung sinasabi ko nga, this is the one I'm using, This. Oh, this Sephora. This makes your lashes a bit longer. It volumize your lashes. Pero, wala nga akong makeup remover, so it's so hard to remove it. Ano, be? Tatakba pa ako ng Caricor mamaya. Eye remover. Ano talaga yun, be? Sa mga nanood ng video ko, thank you. I think, mabawasan ko na yung tawa, man tanga eh. Sabi ko, raw. Pero kasi parang it sounds boring. Pag laging nakaupo ka lang, hello? Ayan. Hindi naman siya perfect. Sabi ko sa inyo. Bumuka lang yung mata ko sa picture talaga. Nakita niyo ba yung mga picture ko dati? Like, ito yung sa visa ko dati, okay? Yung mata ni Akla, siya, tulog ka, di. So, I don't wanna make that same mistake. Charas. Sige, add na muna tayo nito, tapos ako maglalagay sa waterline. Wait ka dyan. Bakla, wait. Ay, tanga. Sabi ko na nga, baka yung hinahanap ko yung nilagyan ko na. Anyway, lagyan na lang ulit natin. So, ito hindi ko naman siya i-bake. Lalagyan ko lang siya. Para mag-set lang yung punda. Mag-set lang yung makeup ko dyan. Pero, I should have done the, ito. But I think like, I'm just gonna go out for a bit. Kaya, hindi ko naman siguro kailangan na i-double ang lagay. So, when I put like my blush, I love blush kasi. Parang kinikilig. Ganun lang yung style ba. So, when I do my blush, I do it like double. Yung nalagyan ko siya ng cream brush and then I also add some, yung blush. Like, I use this blush from Glossier. Ito, it's like a blush blush. So, very, very light lang siya. Very, very clean pants. Ganun, very teenager ang pink. So, anyway. So, this is done. Done na bake. Wait, I'm not gonna bake it. What time is it na nga? Ayan. Oh, 1:39 na bake. So, I have to rush. Okay, so, I'm just gonna do like this. Oh, diba? Blend lang yan, bake. Blend mo lang. Blend. Huwag ka matakot mag-blend, bake. Ayan. Di ba may hair pa ako? Kamusta yung hair mo, ate? Pero hindi ko naman gagawin yung masyadong hair ko kasi wala straight lang yan, be. Hindi mo lang pwedeng ayusin yan. Huwag lang tayo mabukhang poka sa picturean ba? Kasi nila yan. Ayun na yung mga mukhang poka. Magbibenta ka ba? Benta mo ba yung sarili mo? Hindi. Magiging, professional. Mag-professional to. Kalma nyo lang. Ganito lang ako manamit today. Like, may yoga. Anyway. Pero yan, ayusin natin yan mamaya. Huwag ka mag-alala. Huwag mo mukha tayong professional. Mamaya. May cover naman ako, be. Pupunta kong ganito lang. Ganito ka lang, bes. Feel ko parang feel ko dumilim sa labas. Lakas ng instinct. Ano ka, be? Ano tawag? Wait, ano naman chika? Okay. Wait, i-blend pa natin yan. I-blend natin. I-blend natin yan. Siguro ipapasko, ko na to, no? Like, yan. Siguro, speed up ko na lang yung talking show kasi dahil kung hindi ko i-speed up, abutin tayo ng 30 minutes. Gusto niya ba akong nagsasalita ng 30 minutes? Pakinggan mo lang ako. Tapos di ka makareact. Siyempre gusto mo makipag-debate din sa akin kasi ako, pagka-boring yung pinapanood ko, gusto ko makapag ang tulo yan. May tulo na naman yung natin yung shower. Di mo kaya. Very, very light lang yan. Ante, ito, it's like, I use start the, eyeliner. Sabi ni ate mo, lagi ko daw yung sa waterline, then I'll have to add this one sa baba. Dito lang siya, sa baba lang siya, labas ng waterline na very, very light lang. Ganun, tapos i-blend lang natin ng very, very light lang. Sang-sang. Taray! So, ganun. Ay, putik, diba? Ano, siyempre na. Wait. Yan. Ayoko talagang magpa-apekto sa mga negativity. Ayan! Sino siya? Sino ka dyan, be? Di na tayo mukhang chinchansu. Excuse me. Di na chinchansu si ante. Wait. Okay, next step, I'm gonna add the blush na. Para naman, diba? Hindi sa sobrang puti na, ano mo, hindi ko pulbo. Pulbo dyan, ayan. Oh, tas, tinuruan ako, dapat daw yung parang kinikilig, ganun. So, pagka nakita mo yung magpipicture sa'yo, kinikilig ako, ganun. So, lalagay tayo ng ganyan. Gusto ko madami, huwag ka lang mga ilang dyan. I love my blush na super dami. So, who cares, babe? Kinikilig na ako, para naman, you're blushing, ganun. Sabi ko, it's just hot, best. Kinikilig ka dyan. Kinikilig ka dyan sa picture. Oh, di ba? At least dito naman, lumabas naman yung na talagang may kulay, be. Yung kasi baka promote ka pa ng blush. Hindi naman pala kita. Anyway, I think kita naman siya ng very, very light. Tapos sabi ko sa inyo, di ba? Sabi ko sa inyo, I want my blush na pak ganun. So, I'm gonna add another blush from Glossier. Anyway, lagay natin yan. Oh, blush ka. Oh. Gusto mo yung, total kilig! Oh, diba? Kasi ako lang. Tapos, lagi daw tayo lang dito. Nakita ko yun yung naglalagay ng ganun kasi. Para mamula-mula ka. Ay, diba? Hindi ka nilalagnat. Kaya ako nakatuloy ng before sabi ko, not feeling good, I'm not coming. Ayan, medyo kilig factor! Ganun! Alam ko na. So, okay. I think I'm done with the face. I'm gonna do the lipstick na lang. Tingnan mo naman. Oh, ante, look at your hair. It's so long. And hindi ko nga kasi siya pwedeng basahin, best. Sinasabi ko sa inyo, bawal ba daw siyang hugasan ng hugasan. Baka maubos na yung buhok ko. Anyway. Oh, by the way, update lang mga B. Ano siya, effective yung, in fairness, yung sa Virtue. Nilagay ko siya sa anit. Plus, na siya, hindi siya ganun ka-heavy. Pero, yeah. Magparto na lang tayo ng video. Get ready with me, ganun. Anyway, I think I'm gonna upload this, tonight. Tapos nalagyan ko lang siya ng very, very light na, mga sound effect din. Hindi ko na nalagyan ng, mga ganun. Yung na lang. Kasi nilalagyan ko pa ng babalo, mga ganun kasi bakla, lagyan ka ng babalo. Wala lang, kasi diba parang ang boring, walang sound effect ba? Tapos walang mga graphics. So ang gagawin ko siguro muna, lalagyan mo, panoorin ko muna itong buong video. Tapos sabi ako ng mga sound effects pag na-feel ko funny, ganun. To my English subscribers, what the heck, charot. Maybe next time, if I did my editing faster, then I'm just gonna add the subtitle. But now, it's for my Filipino viewers, because I'm more comfortable like talking. As you can see, diba be, ate mo is so chika. I have so much chika in life. Wait, where is it? Where is my, here. So, I also have this. I really love this brand na kasi, sabi ko sa inyo, this Virtue saved my life. Anyway, this is like a good, dry shampoo kasi ang ante mo, I always have like, yung my anit is always oily. So, I have to use a dry shampoo. Parang hindi ligo ng ligo, best. Yan, di ba parang, this is only for the anit, ha? And then you shouldn't put it too close to your hair. Parang hindi naman siya maging dandruff yan, magiging dandruff be, baka masyadong close ang ang pag-spray. So malayo-layo lang ng very, very light. Time check, we have, it's 1:47 na. So I have to, finish, wait ka lang. Now, I'm gonna do my, lip liner. Sa tasa, wala na atang tasa to. Oh my goodness. Magtataha pa nga sa ate mo. So sinasabi ko sa ate, lagi kasing late. Kumain kasi ng pancit kanto bago maligo Late na talaga. Humilata pa kasi ako, girl. Kasi I didn't sleep well. Pero, ayan. Ayaw ko nang sarap. Sarap. Ayan. Nagmura pa. My skill, I can curse even when my mouth closed. Sarap. Lip filler ko ka dyan. Naririnig mo yung graduate na ako sa Friends. Before, I used to watch a lot of Friends and Big Bang. Pero tinanggal nila sa Netflix to, sa How I Met Your Mother na. Ulitin ko ulit yun kasi hindi ko napanood ng buo. Fight me, but I love Friends more than How I Met Your Mother. Maybe the story of How I Met Your Mother is not really my vibe. Pero yeah, I find Ted like a very genuine person. Can't make up his mind. So as Robin, or Aquarius. Pwede na yan, Bess. Don't do much. Okay? Ayan, ang ante mo. And, so let me just add like this one. Ang aking Jisoo Honey Milk Eme. Ate ba? Lalaban sa VFS. Ay. Ayan, Diba biometrics ka na, Bess? Malim talaga. Noon ko, parang hindi ko feel pumunta ng UK So, let's see. Mag-renew lang ako kasi it's good to always have a backup visa. Actually, I'm supposed to have like US na. Kaso nga lang, nabomba na yung US embassy and I have no plans. Ever! Charot. I have no plans at the moment to even go to the US. Oh, no, not even on this type of situation. I'm mad. With the eyes and everything. Who wants to be there, bro? Anyway, what do you think? Shall I add the earrings that I got? I think it will be nice. Pero para ka nung din magbibenta ng laman. Charas lang! No. 100% no. Kasi, ayoko mukhang cheeky naman, be. No, this is fine. I wanna look like, I'm very natural pa, and I won't do any crime in your country. Pero, pag napapanood mo tong hype ka, charas. Edit ko yun. Oh my god, this is 22 minutes and I'm just chika sa ako. Oh dear. Now we're talking. Okay, let me see.
Few moments later.
Okay, look. Ito yung outfit ko today. This is how I'm gonna make. Huh, please grant me some visa. Charis! Ganun. Taas natin ng very light. Ayan, oh. Ano ba? That's not that bad. I think. So I look like this naman. Oh. This is okay. Diba? Short girl. Charan! Oh. Okay, I'm gonna go. Bye!
Everybody's watching her, but she's looking at you.